tightly hold your ponytail with your left hand at the base of your neck, and then come in from underneath with your right hand, grabbing onto your ponytail, and then tightly twisting it counterclockwise as you bring your ponytail up the right side to the top. And then hold it into place and fan out your twist, pulling it upwards to create that French twist look. If your ends are short, skip this step. If not, tightly twist your ends counterclockwise while twisting them counterclockwise so they sit at the top of your twist. Now take your clip and come in from the right, leaving out your ends, and secure your twist into place.
Next is a ponytail hack to create a big, voluminous ponytail. So begin by gathering all of the hair above your temples and completely section it off.
Next, tightly secure your section, and with your index finger and thumb, create a hole above your hair elastic. And then flip your hair up and pull it all the way through to create a topsy tail. Alright, once secure, clip your ponytail up out of the way, and then you want to secure your lower section into another ponytail. And pull on the outside of your ponytail to scooch it up towards your topsy tail. Next, unclip your top ponytail, and you want to pull your lower ponytail up through that topsy tail hole. And you'll see this is going to help perk up your ponytail and create the illusion of very thick, voluminous hair. Next, tighten both your hair elastics, pinch and pull on small sections of hair to add a little more detail.